Welcome back! For a long period of time the Canon EOS R5 is now my go-to hybrid camera for photography and video, and there are already a couple of rumors out there about the possible R5 Mark II. So is it actually worth it to buy the Canon EOS R5 in 2024? Let's talk about that. Released back in 2020, this mirrorless camera has been a game changer for a lot of photo and video producers. I actually got mine on release day because I was waiting for such a hybrid camera that offers everything that I need on a daily basis. And still today I don't need to upgrade my camera because the R5 is still top notch and offers everything that I need. First and foremost, the Canon R5 offers a fantastic image quality. With its 45 megapixel full frame sensor you can capture stunning and detailed shots that stand out in any situation. So whether you're a professional photographer or maybe a content creator, the R5 image quality remains top notch and you can definitely rely on it. I've actually used it in all kind of situations, and yes, it doesn't matter what kind of photos you want to take, you just need the right lens and you're ready to go. So yeah, if you're looking for a camera that offers a great image quality, the R5 is still today one of the best cameras out there. Another standout feature everyone was talking about was its ability to shoot 8K video, and even in 2024 this feature is still impressive. And for sure the level of detail and flexibility in the post-production is just great, but to be honest here, 8K is for me personally not worth it at all. I always use the 4K output, so everything from 24 to 120 FPS in combination with the C-Log color profile, and that's it. But basically the 4K material is just awesome and you won't have any issues to get the shots that you need for your projects. For sure you need a lot of storage for the 4K material as well, but in contrast to that 8K footage it is way easier to handle. So if you need a reliable video camera for your projects you can easily get the R5, or if you just want to set your focus on video alone, the R5C is also a great choice. And speaking of capturing photos and videos, let's talk about the autofocus, and this one is a game changer for both photographers and videographers, ensuring that your subject is always sharp and focused no matter the situation. You can even adjust the settings for cars, people and animals to make it as easy as possible for you to get the shots. And yes, especially in combination with IBIS, it's easily another compelling reason to consider the R5. And especially IBIS is for me incredibly useful because I really like handheld shooting. It basically allows me to capture smooth and steady footage even in challenging conditions. And yes, you definitely never want to switch back to a camera without IBIS. Another must-have of any hybrid camera in these days is for me of course the flip-out screen. Gladly more and more cameras are equipped with such a display, and that's just awesome, because it makes it way easier to compose shots from various angles. And yes, this feature is also especially handy for vloggers and content creators who often find themselves in dynamic shooting situations. Whenever I want to buy a hybrid camera, a flip-out screen is a must-have to make it as easy as possible for me to get my work done. Next, let's talk about one of my favorite topics, lenses. And yes, Canon RF lens lineup has grown a lot since they released the Canon R5. With numerous high-quality lenses available, the R5 provides photographers and videographers with a vast selection to suit their creative needs. And yes, that ensures that you can adapt to any shooting scenario. I personally fully upgraded most of my lenses and I absolutely love them. From the 15 to 35 to the 24 to 70, 70 to 200, and of course the 35mm and 85mm prime. For me this setup is such a great combo for a variety of high quality productions. So if you're looking for a camera that offers a great future-proof mount, the Canon R5 is the way to go. Next, let's talk about SD cards, and the Canon EOS R5 features two card slots supporting both CF Express and SD cards. For me that is awesome because I can easily use and switch between both card types. For sure CF Express cards aren't cheap, but still today I would say they are worth it. On top, with a dual SD card slot it is way more likely that you never miss a shot due to card failure or running out of storage. I always have my trusty CF Express card with me and a couple of additional SD cards as a possible backup. Another reason why I prefer the Canon lineup is that the R5 maintains Canon user-friendly interface, and that makes it way easier for both beginners and experienced users to navigate its features. Additionally, its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and intuitive shooting experience even during extended sessions. I also bought the battery grip to add a couple of buttons for vertical shootings, and it also adds a second battery, which is always great. For me the overall handling and menu structure is super important because I want to set my focus on the production and not on the camera itself. In the last couple of years I actually had the chance to check out a variety of cameras and I always went back to my trusty R5. Another really important topic for me is long-term investments, and Canon has a history of providing firmware updates to enhance the performance and features of their cameras. And yes, even in 2024 the Canon EOS R5 continues to benefit from these updates. Because yeah, over the last couple of years Canon improved and added a variety of things, and exactly that's what you need. Because at the end of the day, if you invest that amount of money to add such a camera to your inventory, the support should be top notch. But yeah, even in 2024 the Canon R5 is still a camera that is worth it. For sure there are rumors about the Canon R5 Mark II, but if you need a great hybrid camera right now that you can use for the next couple of years, you can still buy the Canon R5. I personally don't think that I will upgrade to the Mark II because still today the R5 offers everything that I need. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.